In this tutorial, we're going to look at the log rules involving adding and subtracting to simplify logs. So in the first one here, log 5 plus log 4, when we're adding, we actually multiply the numbers, so that becomes log 20. When we're adding, we multiply 2 times 10 is 20, times 5 is 100, log 100. In this case, when we're subtracting logs, we divide, so this becomes log 20 divided by 4 is log 5. This one here, we do the addition part first, which means we multiply, so we'll have log 24, and then subtracting 2 means divide by 2, so we can write that as log 12. The next one, log 15 over 3, can be written as log 15 subtract log 3, which is in a single log is log 5. Now this one here, there's several steps to this one here, so watching carefully, just start off with the log n and deal with the bottom line. So p times q can be written as subtract log p times q, and then we can write that as log n subtract log p plus a log of q. Now the last step is to deal with the subtraction sign here, and in terms of that makes this negative and this negative, so we rewrite it as log n subtract log p subtract log q. This is a really important rule here. This n, so a log of x to the power of n can also be written as n in the front of log of x. The n has actually two places. It can live there or it can fly down the front. Okay, over here right is the single log. In this case, we can simply think of 16 as 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16. And using that rule down here, we can think of that as 4 log 2, because the 4, it can live up the front, up the top there or down the front, all over log 2. Now we're allowed to cross off, so therefore the answer is just 4. Log 49 subtract log 7, as when we're subtracting, we're dividing, can be simply written as log 7. This one here, this 3 here can then come up to here, so therefore we have log of 4 to the power of 3 plus a log 16 all over, and again this 2 can live up here as well, so we're going to write that as log 4 to the power of 2. Grabbing our calculator, 4 to the power of 3 is 64. When we're adding logs, we're multiplying, so over here we've got 64 times 16, and that equals 1024. Log 1024 divided by log, now if we remember, 4 to the power of 2 is 16, can all be written as log 1024 divided by log 16, just doing it on my calculator, is 2.5. Okay, so the last one here, again this 3 can live up here, so we've got log 2 to the power of 3 plus log 1/8, which is the same. When we're adding, we can multiply, so it's the same as log 8 times 1/8, which is the same as log 1, which equals log 1 equals 0.